njalo siyabonga sidlula ezintweni thina sidlula hey njalo sidlula ezintweni bo hey Nkosi njalo siyabonga lezintweni zinzima lezi njalo siya ezintweni hey Nkosi ungakhatha ezidlula kuso zinzima Sathane wenza show kodwa thina sithi njalo siyabonga babo yasibulisa baba dule zintweni sinzima bali njalo siyabonga dule zintweni healing saints njalo siphuma phambili noma usathane kufaka le bikhona yazi ukuthi all the time he's gonna lose you gonna win whatever trap abakhela yona you gonna overcome whatever setup akuphela wena usathane you gonna go through nama muphu nokhala akufakele wona uzodabula nama liphiwa akufaka kulona uzodlula nama luphu ushwa nama kuphi ukukhathamelwa nama wenzane if wenza usathane wena egama likaJesu uzodlula uzosurvive uzoqhubeka uzophila bekithemba lakho kuJehova bekuphila kwakho kusomandla siphiwe igrace yokumphoxa sidlule ezintweni ezinzima njalo siyanqoba thina noma ekubhekeleni always tell him ngizodlula zoba painful zoba hard kodlula bazohleka bazo TikTok ngizodlula I'm not gonna go back I'm not gonna let him I'm not gonna allow Satan up in the last kuba uyena ovala umnyango athi yena uzoba no amen empilweni yami it's God basalwane ngizokhuluma ngento said 3 times this is the last one eqala sithi ekufeni isoni surprise wayini uma sifa no abantu bacabanga ukuthi ukuhlala lokho abazi ukuthi isoni angikhulumi ngesoni esikaMaroman noma esezenzisi angikhulumi ngesoni esidlala etavern ngifocuse kwisoni esithi sisindisiwe esithi sibona again kodwa imvelo yangaphakathi ayikashintshe yabazalwane I had these 3 topics. Eqala ithi sifile. Masiqala kade sikhorasa senza yonke into esihlabela sishumana but singazange sivisit the new birth sithi masifika ngaleso ukuthi it's been all cops. That was the first time. Isibili sizotholakala ukuthi ayikaze kube khona ukuxhumana kwaso noNkulunkulu. Abanye izoba confuse ke lento sikaka nisho kanjani umuntu okade ekhorasa ethola healing kwathe kwenzeka enama miracles akaza axhumana noNkulunkulu mangena new birth ziningi izinto ezingenziwa ezenziwa yifaith yomuntu remember uNkulunkulu lithi iBhayibheli umkhuleko wesoni akawuzwa, kodwa isoni siyakwazi ukuza kwi-prayer line sine-cancer siphile, because i-faith i-attitude yokuthola noma yini kuThixo, noma awukholwa noma uyakholwa. If uwadedela i-faith, God will answer you. Manje abantu badidwa ukuthi befake iphandla uNkulunkulu yabaphendula, bacabanga ukuthi uyabezwa. uNkulunkulu uma ungakholwa akakuzwa, libiza kana relationship now. God ukholwa kwakho unjani umfazi lo wayebleeder for 12 years. Abantu abengakholwa laba baningi bengakholwa uJesu baphilisa ne-centurion. Yindaba i-faith i-universal, i-faith ayisebenzi kabungcwele, i-faith ayisebenzi ka-new birth. Umuntu ongakholwa angaba ne-faith adlule wena ongcwele. Anyone who can have faith, God will answer. Faith noma kuthiwa awukholwa, kodwa manje iBhayibheli uNkulunkulu akasizwa isoni, kasi ukuthi ubudlelwane benzalo, father to a son, father to a daughter, abukaze buqale, because uqala ngokuthi akuzale in his kingdom ngezwi, then kuseyakuzwa lapho kusune ID number, lapho kusune buy code, he can communicate with you. God amoyisoni akuzwa, he has no relationship now. So ibagcwala abantu enkonzweni bengena ngobucharismatic ngobupentecost, abanye kuze-activate-ke iy'phiwo zikamoya beyizoni, abanye kuze-activate-ke i-faith yama-miracles beyizoni, abanye kuze-activate-ke izinto othi uma uzibona wena uthi ba-fast of 40 days ku-activate-ke izinto beyizoni. So this is what is ukukhuluma namhlanje. There is 3 sinners. These sinners, these symptoms zibonakala when you die ukuthi ubungakholwa, because ama-emotions nama-sensations nama-feelings okayakwazi ukuthola the spirit esi-environment kaThixo and yenza abantu abangakho born again. Ebazana abagcwele emasontweni, abantu basindisiwe are not born again. Believe me, abaningi abayibiza ngaba-prophet, abaningi abayibiza ngaba-pastor, abaningi abayibiza ngaba-lady bishop are not born again. Athi umuntu ungahlangana noJesu ngaye etendeni, emndenami uyahlangana noJesu, but akusho ukuthi uyabona again. Ungahlangana noJesu, impilo yami iyashintsha, ingashintshi impilo yakho, ishintsha uyeke kushugwayi, kodwa dadala mina uyabona again. Ebazalwane, I'm trying to explain. The ministry of new birth is not as easy as ABC. The ministry of new birth is not as easy. That fabrication, anybody can do, Lord. Baningi bagcwele amathaveni namhlanje abaye bagay, they eat the bafuna ngomlomo. In new birth is an actual birth, and there can be no birth unless there is something die. I would do for spiritually something tangible. uNkulunkulu ungena in your heart, ashintsha your heart. I would uqala kunika spirit, inhliziyo itself has to be remade tangible. So okay, sikwenza isithathu ke namhlanje. Ngifuna ivesi yokuqala eColossians yokuqala, uNkulunkulu akazi ukuthi ufile because wazi ukuthi kudala wafa. So there's nothing changes. Nesibili, there's nothing ayilahlekelwe, there's no feeling, nothing. There's not even a meeting ezulwini bakufisona, because it's like into ebeyivele ifile manje isiya transportwa to where it's like usuke esitokisini uyejele, something into eboshiwe esitokisini usiyadlula uyejele. So there's no changes. It's just a position of dead people being moved around, or jailed people being moved around. So ezulwini there's no surprise so nesifile because akuyona ingane kaNkulunkulu. Ezulwini kusunywa ngawo kuphenduka umuntu noma kunyuka umntwana kaNkulunkulu. Lapho ke kuba because it's someone owala ekhaya. All right. Let me read the first verse. Colossians 1 verse 21. This includes, even in King James, and you that were sometimes alienated and enemies. You who were sometimes alienated. That means you are an alien to God. You are born in a body that is an alien. These feelings are not from God, they are from the devil. It's an alien thing. Now, Sasema alien, see, separated from God. That means umawako uzali alien. Number 2, and enemies. Slow some to start. Yini ukuthi ezoba surprise. Uma wena moni ufika ngale wena ukhonza Rema wena ukhonza la Ramaphosa zazo ukhonza ko TBN wena moni wena Sony esigqoka nobi kanjani is behave like a whore, like a dog, and living an unclean life. What's going to surprise you? You'll find that you were the chiefest enemy of the Most High. Uzalwa by your mother. Uzalwa sita. If you don't know mangisho, it dabugis. If you ever had an enemy, you know what I'm talking about. The enemy is one thing you can't get rid of. His enemy is one thing. The enemy is one thing. The enemy is something yenzani awufuna imfihlo ongasitsheli isitha sakho ngoba sokudestroya ngazo and umathiwa sazalwa siyizitha sikaNkulunkulu. That means uNkulunkulu kule mvelo yoba yisoni akakutsheli izinto ongaphenduka wena ulwe naye ngazo. uNkulunkulu wenza sure ukuthi the enemy umuntu omplanelayo. Because there's one thing ending there to do till then. Usathane corrupted umhlaba kaNkulunkulu. Usathane corrupted God's order from Genesis. That order, what when he corrupts it, he thought he has really defeated God. What did he do? Where's what God is going to have children on earth? What a beater! Because why? All along, he's the chiefest of God's things. My one is just though I'm but he is not the end game. The third of the heaven host. What are the best? To confuse. Now, I want to explain for you. There is three things that sense. ezenza uNkulunkulu adikile umhlaba adikile nethini. Eyoqala wenza ukuthi umhlabathi ukheswe. The soil is cast inokhula. Kusho ukuthi isikhathi kusho ukuthi ukhula liyakhula. Lani ngekho kwi-plan of God's vegetation. Wena mlimi uma ukhula lukhula ukulibudgetela ukunaka ukuthi kufanele njengalukhula nje kufanele ukuthi liprunwe. Wena mlimi, what is in your mind mawubona ukhula? Lead destruction ensimini yakho, lead disappointment phakathi kwezitshalo zakho. Exactly nathi masalo lo mhlaba ngathi salo omabethu salo sama alien sikulenyama siwukhula before God. That's why siuqadola omunye abe yenye into omunye yonke lento ekhula la ikhule ngathi nikaThixo kodwa every day ibuka uThixo uthi onkosama I can't wait yadeng siphula lento yayishisa I align nature yasengadini yalazi ivesi wathi uJesu kuyeke khule ukubili ngoba kuhlangene ngempani. Now ke esibili is sex curse. Lapho umuntu esifazane wafakwa isidi by a serpent. Waba perverted umuntu esifazane wathatha that beautiful body or structure of sexual serpent. Because why byproduct of a man. So anyone who byproduct can be remade. Akadalwanga from the ground like magdalwa isilwane nobinkomo kodwa sithi umuntu esifazane kwathathwa a product eseyiphila yabe sekwa uNkulunkulu miraculous wakha a byproduct. So lo byproduct is preventable. Ingakumuntu esifazane wazi ukuzala kamhlongo ashadele kwasikakana shintsha bokwasikakana because she was created to be remade. So ke uSathane ke wabona ukuthi now there is a weak link. Kunomuntu engathi mangiyakuyena ngifaka imbewu because usengadini uyinyama kutshale ke inzalo eperverted. Wayiqala ke lento. Sexually we know isihlahla esiphakathi nensimbi umuntu esifazane. Inyoka did that. Ama codes uGenesis. Then no Adam walinga wangena kule sexual birth. Kwenzekani ke lapho umuntu udaka kwangena imbewu ezu2 lembewu enye le yenyoka yaba ukhula kodwa mabezalwa baphuma boyi2 beyabantu because umama wabo is their barrier. Niyazi umuntu osifazane uletha amathambo nenyama indoda iletha igazi soma bethu njengasigcwele la sizalwa abafazi. iBhayibheli lo muntu waphithizela insuku zakhe zincane emhlabeni. Loyo muntu ke ukhula ke loyo muntu. Loyo muntu ke lo uyi-alien ke loyo muntu. Loyo muntu loyo ke uyisitha enemy, public enemy number 1 of God's eternity. Okwesithathu uthe esabhizi waqala a religion. Nginichaza into eziwu3 ezaphevethwa kuGenesis. Ufunda nje verse. He started cursed the ground lesihlala kuyona wakheswa umuntu esifazane uyableeda every month. Nomuntu esilisa Old Testament wayecircumcised. That was a type of a curse ukuthi igazi remind us that we need ukuhlengwa. Everyone ozelwe ngale private part needs ukuhlengwa because igazi means a curse. As you know, uNkulunkulu curse amaGibhithe amanzi eshintshe begazi. It's a curse. So ama periods umuntu esifazane asymbolize ukuthi yonke into ezophuma lapha kule nsimi yakhe iphuma ngecurse. Iqale kusiwe le nto uNkulunkulu akayazi. Then ke uSathane nje esibonisa sesikhesela usekhese the ground yesona wakheseka umzimba lo athi uSathane kumuntu esifazane uzoba uNkulunkulu wakhesela lo mzimba. Then now ekugcineni ngoba interfere in the spiritual part. Ukushintsha izwi le inyoka yabufundisa ukuthi izwi awul accept linje olinjalo. yathi uNkulunkulu ayashongo leso spirit lesesikhamba ngamaRoman 3-5 AD where they learned ukuthi izwi alifuneka interpreted by theologians. That was the third curse. That curse it came from the serpent who wanted to analyze njengabenza ama-church fathers nge-3-5. They sit down but discussing God and by self is God. Phuma a lot of nonsense. Phuma onke lento oyibona eCatholic Church today, the Trinity and all these things, and false baptism and false Lord's Supper. Zonke listen, ziphuma from theologians, and behamba beba nama-summit all these years, a Council of Trent and Council. Lo moya wenyoka wakha that antichrist, a theological spirit. Now ke lalela lana ke uGenesis so ke ngifuna ukuzibambe lezinto ezenza ukuthi ngithi uNkulunkulu iso umhlaba lokona cursed. The uyasebenza umuntu esifazane lozalayo sexual birth is cursed. Sinama signs watshengisile lokho. Then okwesithathu it's the theology ministry that lo mo spirits oyi3 ke angena emhlabeni. That's the time God declared a war. Before that, God did not declare war. uNkulunkulu was not uJehova wempi. He was this kind, loving God until in umhlaba changed to be the world, until Eden yaphenduka aba world, yaba indawo yokuthi uSatan wathi ayibo umhlaba okwesibili wabona uNkulunkulu ukuthi hey kuzokwehluka a spirit esizozenza ngathi somoya engcwele kubantu abaperverted esobenza bacabanga bakhonza mina kanti bakhonza uSatan through ama theologians, through ama denominations. Lezo spirits were so dangerous that one day so enthrone a man eyoziveza ngathi uChrist ebi uAntichrist eyongena etempeleni ikhonze. The spirits were in power nokuthi amaJuda abe tempted. What now I have to declare a war. And mafuna uGenesis 3:15 ila declare a war. Ngizakubeka ubutha phakathi kwakho nowesifazane naphakathi kwenzalo yakho nenzalo yakho, yona iyakuchoboza ikhanda lakho, wena ngokulimaza isithende sakho. Lapho is a declaration yokuthi la ngizokuphuvela Satan ukuthi nguNkulunkulu the Almighty God. Ngizokuphuvela mina ukuthi ngizokushaya ngale mathilelo xa uthi ngishaye nga. I'm gonna use the very same woman omenze wazala isiqalekise emhlabeni. That woman ngizomkhetha phakathi kwabantu besifazane azale ihlwili. Lelo hlwili libe uMessiah, libe ingane yami, libe yi-firstborn of the righteous. Lelo gazi abantu uthi wena likhesa abantu owazi ukuthi ngegazi abantu baqale kushiwe badinga ilwane ichitha igazi bese ngikushaya futhi ngalo igazi eliyophuma kuleyo ndodana yami liyohlenga anyone who believes. Wamshaya la ayitshela ukuthi wenza trap. What is if Adam wabuyisa uAdam? What if umuntu esifazane wabuyisa uMary? Wamshaya wafaki destroy izwi wabisa indoda egama lakuthiwa uLizwi. Wamshaya uJesu became one weapon enough to bring down the forces of hell. Noma khamba kwayiphi indawo, noma aze ngebirth, aze spiritually, aze nge-sickness, aze nge-witchcraft, Jesus Christ can make sure mawukholwa uye you will be safe. Manje nina ama-charismatics nimthatha kwi-healing, nimthatha kuma-speaking in tongues, bese break every verse in the Bible after that. Enthrone women preachers, pastors' wives, bishops. Ni enthrone your girls to dance in church here. Kube a picnic church. Ni enthrone nenze denominations. Ni break baptism. Thatha sema Romane. Ni break Lord's Supper. Ni thathe lento enziwe yokudla breakfast ngo-10 ithi lobsapha namabhiskiti awunosthing lapha kukhonzwa khona uNkulunkulu waseRome le bedla lama-flavour nidle lezo zinto lezo and break a lot of other stuff because of that nilahlekelwe izwi. So okay, that's just the background. I wanted to show you yini uNkulunkulu eyenza ukuthi ube yisitha mawulwa umbuso omdala. Uyisitha because information yakho i-alien. Now but listen to this. The 42nd verse. So uNkulunkulu ke masive isoul. Bekade sinalama feelings, sinalama emotions. Sithi masifa sithola ukuthi hawo. Not that uNkulunkulu bengifile. Not that akanama feelings ngami. Uyangizonda. Into abangayiunderstand abantu bona abantu bethi uNkulunkulu uyazonda isoul. He's an enemy. Leyanzalo kaNyongo noyihlo i-enemy kaThixo. Uyayizonda. That's why Genesis, I think Genesis 5, wathi ebona ububi bezona. Ayisifunde lapho. Ingcwele. Ungcwele. 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 Jesus. Ungcwele. Jesus. Ungcwele. Verse 4. There were giants on earth in those days, and also after that when the sons of God came unto the daughters of men, and they bare children to them. The same became mighty men, which were of old, men of renown, big pastors. And God saw that the wickedness of men was great in the earth, and that every imagination of his thoughts, of his heart, was evil continually. Verse 6. And it repented the Lord that he had made men on the earth, and it grieved him at his heart. And the Lord said, I will destroy his enemy waiting to destroy. That's why uma bantu belahlekelwa yile nto bagijima babe nento a humanitarian spirit. Bambe babe ne teaching yokuthi ne uNkulunkulu is so loving. Ngeke isihogo asikho feasible. Bathatha lo thando labo Mandela nabo Gandhi lo thando oluperverted lo lasemhlabeni le politics. Baca ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyi humanitarian. God not a humanitarian. Mawuzalwa God hates you. Wazalwa uyi alien. You yourself you hate God. Emvelweni yethu we all hate God. Look at all these politics and all these religions. Bakugcwala baba Muslim, bakugcwala baba Catholic. They hate God. uNkulunkulu ne Bible has proved ukuthi uvela lapho umuntu uphila kanjani umuntu. They run away from that because sizitha ingane uyibeka la awuyifundisi yonke lonke lokungcola kuphuma kuyona. We are enemies of God. That's why uNkulunkulu destroy them. That's why namanje usuku lenkosi liyeza lapho uNkulunkulu is revenge to the old nature and destroy 7 plagues. Into zolaka ezikuthiwa kweshintsha igazi inyanga ibe igazi izinto unthinkable ezikwenzeka ongakazi ubone ngisho kuma horror movie ezokwenzeka on people. Bible kufe third of the sea 1/3 of lento esisho incwadi yesambulo. Lezo zinto uNkulunkulu zobe zekhipha ulaka ezizeni zakhe ekuyiwena ongakholwa nalolu daka esintu. That's why sifa kabuhlungu sibuze why noma uhole ngana noma ukholwa kanjani, but ukufa ukweqa amehlo because lo mzimba wapanishwa umuntu owuzondayo uThixo. So determined to kill this body and the soul in this body because we see it. So uzothatha serious ubone ugotshiwe uzibone uphithizela uself umfundisi unikela uyisitha sikaThixo wena enemy. Nibhekene ngekhono zamehlo kanje noNkulunkulu. Ulona lo ubani ozogadla kuqala, ulona lo uthi ubani engizomcupha kuqala. uNkulunkulu wakhuluma noAbraham, one person, wamkhipha kubabantu abanqwaba basemhlabeni abayizitha zakhe, wamshintsha khona namadlozi, wakha umndeni omusha ngaye. That means why wengabasindisi bonke labantu? It's because inyama leyanikelwa kuSathane nasakufeni. So next time buka ingane yakho wazi ukuthi uzela isitha sikaNkulunkulu. Ubona lo lengane yakho wazi ukuthi is enemy. If lo muntu ufe ngazange ashinjwe, he's an enemy of God. Now what do you do with your enemy? You plan to destroy him someday. And his koko is just the second plan. The first plan was aging. I'm going to destroy them by this body. That body is going to die. Is aging. Abantu besifazane bazala 9 months for 20 soni buku yini ama alien. This body is aging wadlula ku 40 fuloqala ukhetha udlani sekunabo BP sekunabo diabetes. Uyazibuza ukuthi old age is catching up. Umuntu wayemuhle umuntu wayithandeka usehamba kabuhlungu yini lo uNkulunkulu isitha sakhe usashaya ngomzimba wona lo ebesitshela ukuthi sine pride kwa Adam no Eve lo bangene kufeni. So that's the first part. Abantu were not created to age. The aging is one sign that uNkulunkulu is cursed. Then number 2, the second of that, ukufa. Ukufa wangekho in the picture. But sonke sodlula kuko. Mhlawumbe ikhansa ikhanda lisaphazeka, mhlawumbe ibhomu ibhilidi lisaphazeka. Mayenzeka into yokufa kuwe noma kuthiwa wasindiswa emncane akunankinga, uyadutshulwa abantu nalo kuthiwa ufe natural wena ofayo, it's painful. Fama pipe esibhedlela ukweqa amehlo. So ukufa enye indlela uNkulunkulu aphuva ngayo ukuthi isitha sakhe uwena umuntu udlulisa kuleyo process. Esithathu is hell. Akaqedi lapho kusana lake of fire. Ukutshengisa la ngafuna ukukhona. uNkulunkulu has got long queue yokuthila nesitha sakhe. Lezinto uthi umyayisi isikhoko sakhe uSathane. Wena isikhoko sakhe uSathane nengelosi. Usikhathi inyoka ilala nomfazi lapha bafaka imbewu yakhe kuSathane amongst humanity lebe ukhula athi uMatthew loboshwa ngamahlelo amasonto liyoshiswa. Abantu labo abangenjanga ngisho yesibili into ukwazi ukungena in the flesh through a woman or perverter that birth ukuthi not bonke abantu abazalwayo abazi umhlaba ongasekho. So if wena nonkosi zakho nishadile nginiphumuzi ngithi sekwadlamini lapha ingane kaDlamini ikubo ke lapha ingane noma kuthiwa niyadivorce nini umuzi usana ingane ngoba ikubo. That's the same thing. Ikhoko esabantwana bakaSathane ikubo ke bona banamakamelo ke bona lapha. uSathane sakhelwa yena kodwa inzala through you ngisho ukuthi sinike through umhlaba ukhula, through is sexual birth abantu, through is spiritual thing amasonto non theologians and all that. Zonke lezo zinto kwincwadi yesambulo yasithola sekuthiwa u-antichrist ne-beast ne-false prophet. These are stages also ziphonswa ziphila in the lake of fire. So ke uyisoni mawufa, you are enemy number 1. So that what I'm trying to tell you, How can uhlale all your life refusing uku-accepta ukukhishwa ekubeni enemy kaThixo, ekubeni isitha sikaThixo mahala ngengane yakho uJesu ayenza abayisitha sakhe laphana esiphambanweni, wathatha yonke enga yakhe eyayikade i-reserved for abantu abasemhlabeni wayifaka endodaneni yakhe ukuthi his son can bear all the pain, all the shame, all the anguish, everything. Yonke inzondo kwaba mnyama izulu kusondwa uJesu, esondwa uThixo, ethatha yonke inzondo anayo for the human nature efallen into sin, wayifaka in his son, and his son died with it, his son wept with it, his son was killed with it. Wavuka again on the third day esavuka with a declaration yakuthi siyinqobile impi, edeclare Genesis chapter 3 verse 15, siyinqobile sishayile ikhanda lenyoka madoda, because kwakudeclarwa impi ngoJesu laphayana ukuthi ngizolwa all forces of darkness by my only son, and uJesu wanqoba ukufa nokugula in any other form. He overcame, and nami ngamthola one day some 25 years ago. I gave my life kulo Jesu, lasusa icala, kwasuka ubutha, kwasuka ukuzonda uThixo, ngaba on the other side, ngaba ingane yakhe, ngangasaba isitha sakhe. Maye kuwe oyosukena ethuneni uyisitha, unake into zalomhlaba, unake into zokuphila, unake ubumnandi balomhlaba. Maye kuwe wena ongazi ukuthi kwawugula isayini ukuthi uyisitha sikaNkulunkulu, wena ongazi ukuthi even age, even funeral isayini obayisitha. Ngiyakhuza ungayi afterlife usayisitha. Don't die still being an enemy of God. You have a chance to come to Jesus who took all the enmity upon himself, all the amount of reject, and live your life selfishly. Let me tell you, ubutha ubafunela to another level. Ubutha basesihogweni bufar than ubutha bakupain yokufa, bufar than ubutha bepain yokuguga nobewugula. Ngizama ukutshengisa ukuthi hayi ukuthi esihogweni sobe siqala mhlawumbe ukuzulaka laNkulunkulu siluzwa sizalwa lizoma bethu besikhipha esibhedlela siluze from that day. Noma uphuma ngawakho uphuma ukhale because uyezwa ukuthi ngingenile ke empini la alalapho uqala ufunda ukuphila, uqala ufunda ukusebenza, uqala ufunda ukutrainwa zonke lezi zinto. Sign ukuthi usuqalile bayisitha sikaNkulunkulu. So all your life working for a living is sign yokuthi uyisitha sikaNkulunkulu. Ewekuseni uyasebenza nasebusuku namaphupha amabi unama nightmares is sign yokuthi usuyisitha sikaNkulunkulu. Uthi udla ama-drugs trying to calm your nerves, avela kwenzele akufakele more drama, alokhuza akwenzele more nightmares. Indaba you're an enemy. Only through the blood. Uyophelela lapho. So ngizama ukuchazela ukuthi uyisitha wonke lama stages. Mawuzugula, mawuzale ingane ekhubazekile ungamsoli uNkulunkulu. Uma kwenzeka uzale ingane ibe stillborn ungamsoli uNkulunkulu. Imvelo yakhe siyisitha. Ingakho sithandaza every day sithandaza umusa, because there's many things here as well from the enmity side through Satan. It's not God who's causing evil, but God hates evil, that he pushes everything evil back. And Tina Esa chooses by evil, it backfires to us. Second verse, Ephesians 2:3. Says it, but it's born with obtain. Tina Samamga Luches. Sashinj. When I'm on, we have to be surprised. Ephesians 2:3. Among whom also we all had our conversation in times past, in the lust of the flesh, our flesh fulfilling the desires of the flesh and of the mind, and we were by nature the children of wrath, even as others, ngemvelo, children of wrath, ngemvelo, children of wrath. That means ingane, wathi ngizengane ezu5 phambi kaNkulunkulu uzale 5 wraths, ingane zolaka. That means uNkulunkulu has got. That's why incwadi esihamba lichaza kahle ama stages kulolana lokhishwa kanjani uma ibandla selingasekho emhlabeni. So ke wena umuntu ozofa ungekho khona ke, you will experience that next level of God's wrath. Romans 8 verse 7, lithi iBhayibheli verse 7 and 8, because the carnal mind is enmity against God. That means not only God is your enemy, now we are God's enemy. Against God, for it is not subject to the law of God, neither indeed can it be. If anything about impossible, so then they that are in the flesh cannot please God, because they are carnally cast, carnally angry. Kanal nama wala ingqondo yakho nje iyogcina ikutshela ukuthi uJesu hayi into yakhe nonsense. Yabona abavangeli befike bahlehla sizitha zakhe. So that's why you have, but nansi ke into yangibusisi. Kwaba no Isaiah 53. Let me Bible lithi God made something for us. Ngizama ukutshengisa ukuthi kwashintsha phi. Singena phi thina. This is what happened. Isaiah 53 verse 6. All who were like sheep have gone astray. We have turned everyone off us to his own way, and the Lord had laid on him the iniquity of us all. Now ask yourself, sonke, makuthiwa sonke kushoyo, everyone was out. Nathi esindisiwe. Lithi ke, even though inzalo sulaka, but thina esasibhalwe emaphakathi emhlabeni wase, we turned in natural birth. Abanye they are born like that, but ukhona thina esizophenduka lalela thina funda kulela again, we're like sheep gone astray. We're not goats, we're sheep, but ngokuzalwa kwenyama eperverted, we're gone astray. That's why when umntana okholwayo, ever since uphila uyingane, you always had a longing kaNkulunkulu. Awufani uthi oludadewenu noma umfowenu awanandaba nalona. It's because yena niphuma kule, wena we're a sheep, yena he was a goat. So uJesu declare la ukuthi asifani. That means iplan lokusihlenga uNkulunkulu laba khona, even though ediclare ubuthi wathi ke angizunqoba nje isathane kuphela ngendodana nami, ngizokunqoba nangezimvu zami ezozalwa kulenzalo yobuntu engiyizondayo, kodwa ngizokupruvela ukuthi laba abamagama abo umhlaba ungasekho makushunyelwa le ndodana nami, they will betray the old nature, they will betray ukudaba, they will betray every form of evil thing, and we are not anymore God's enemies. Not anymore. Moses told this guy, 68 verse 1 to 2, no Exodus 14 verse 14, no Malaka 4 verse 3. I'm a verse lao ashubuti uNkulunkulu bakaphakame his enemies be scattered. Bese little ye stand and still God will fight for you. I'm a verse eliyeliso besihamba phezulu kwemlotha yesizwe kaNkulunkulu. So it shows into sazokwenzeka. But ngizama ukufocus kula wethu lalela mntana kaNkulunkulu. Thina silaba elithi iBhayibheli zathalaliswa. Zenzo 8:17 sifuna verse 30. And the times of incoherence God winged it, but now commanded all men everywhere to repent, because he had appointed a day in which he will judge the word in righteousness by that man whom he had ordained, whereof he had given assurance to all men, in that he had raised him from the dead. So he made sure that Jesus will revisit us, and sihlambalaze imizalo esazalwa ngayo. Sishangisa ukuthi sine rocket thina, sizwe voice from heaven other than the voice as a Garden of Eden, sizwe voice from eternity other than the voice as a Rome. We can hear it, but Bible zojona ama-Roma afake irosari, benze iphetha kuchori, bayihlabele imbuzi, bayikhonzela amadlozi, bakhohlwa ukuthi bayizulweni, abanye bayikhulumela ngezilimo, bayithathela izithembu, bayiyele esihogweni, bakhohlisa ukuthi bagcwetshiwe, bashumalisa abafazi, bayifebele, benza amabandla awukudlala. But thina ngizama ukuchaza le verse ichaza ukuthi uNkulunkulu akufanga utrap. wayazi uzodlula ikhathi zomlazi and he will save you. Last verse out 2. It's John John 8:44. You are of your father the devil, and the lust of your father you will do. He was a murderer from the beginning, and abode not in the truth, because there was no truth in him. When he speaketh a lie, he speaketh of his own, for he is a liar and a father of it. So, Uchala is an A-train. Abafundisi abagqoke imjiva behlangene bonke bebiza ukuthi bayi-communical counsel. Uthi abona umfundisi egqoka lo mjiva iqoda ndiyazi ukuthi utshengisa ukuthi uyingane kaSathane. Because iRome manje ibekiwe as the Sanhedrins. uJesu ayikhuluma nawo ukuthi bahlele ehlani sikaMose. That means bona mainly declaring themselves as children of God. So abona umfundisi eyoqoka la lithaba lemhlophe lemileko lezabona nalamaringa abafana yazi ukuthi lo muntu ingane kaSathane le is declared. Abakwazi to resist that. You know iBhayibheli bathanda ugqoka imhelmet phambi kwabantu la marketplace babizwa ngokuthi orabi. Abakwazi ngisho noma esethi aqamba mangathi usindisiwe uzothi yabona iyavuka le nto ufuna ukufana noPope. It's a feathers of the same bait. Ungasabi wena. So that's why if iphikisana into abayizwe Rome abakwazi kuyi-adopt. Trinity is from Rome but by force ingekho because ubaba wabo uSathane is the orchestrator of lies and they have to follow their father. Awukwazi ukuphikisana nomama wakho. Nathi ubaba wethu siyakuyena sidonswa inzalo entsha through his son Jesus. Now that they are of their father the devil. That's why kuba nalobutha. Bese kuba no John 1:13. Verse 7. I'm closing now. I hope you are blessed. I hope abayizwe izolo binamandla kakhulu because there was audience as well. But I tried to meet you halfway, people. Khona nizokwazi ukunikela kuthenga isound lesile. Khiphe ama-million lawo sithenga izinto ezisile. Singamane siblockela amakhamera. John 1:9. That was the true light, which lightened every man that cometh into the world. He was in the world, and the world was made by him, and knew me not. He came to his own, and his own received them not. But as many as received them, to them he gave them power to become the sons of God, even to them that believe on his name. Which are born not of the blood. Yes, what I we Sanhedrin between which are born not of the blood, nor of the will of flesh, nor of the will of a man, but of God. So physical, spiritual. Physical sizalo sonke sees it, but spiritual, there are those abaye remain abamachitens ngenzalo endala, they go to hell like that. Njengonokhula lobhujiswa. Kodwa khona laba aba spiritual abayinzalo yenyoka. Ilaba kababa o-pope, cardinals, bishops and all these things. Baqala these organizations. Ababecabanga ukuthi bazomtrika uNkulunkulu ngokuthi bahlise izulu, bahlise in the wrong seat ekuthelwe Antichrist. But inenza babe ingozi is because baphithizela siyafana and all of those things. Exactly njengana new birth. But uJesu sent us prophets. Aba sent us ngezwi sikwazi ukubabona. Manje begcotshwe njengathi but sikwazi ukuqinisa ukuthi ibandla lenza le nto lisebenzela the other kingdom. So uthi kuJesu wena you are born again of God. I want to tell you, awusona isitha if uzoqhubeka emngcoleni and worship him, nigel and praise him, cleanse your heart, forgive your enemies, uqhubeke and look up, because Jesus is so near. I'm here to encourage you. When I'm down corrupt, lesbianism, gayism, everything, corruption in my parliament, and no have you got discouraged. This is not your kingdom. Your kingdom still exists, and get millennium day. Now focus on 1,000 years. When I will be safe, protected in there with God. I'm here to ask you, just make sure that you arm yourself with purity and strength and continue on the Lord's despised field. May God bless you. Because wonke omunye umuntu ofayo engakholwa uyorealize ukuthi kanti uyi-enemy kaNkulunkulu. God bless you. Angimo olunye olinga nanaye enkizweni yami uyabu angimo omunye lo angimo